In this video, I will show you how to enable developer mode on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on my Windows 11 desktop. Now to enable developer mode, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your settings. To do this, come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and you should now see the settings icon here. If you don't see this, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and open up settings underneath best match. So here we are in our settings. Now, since a recent Windows update, the developer options mode has actually moved. So the best way to find this is to use the search box in your settings. So if you actually come up to the top left hand corner, click into the search box and just go ahead and type developer, you're going to see an option come up called use developer features. So what you want to do is give this a click, and this way you can come to actually turn on developer mode. You can see the option is at the very top here. So all you need to do is go ahead and turn the switch on. At this point, you're going to get a pop-up message which says that turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. So if you want to go ahead and turn on developer mode, you just need to agree to this by selecting yes. And when you've done that, you're going to enable developer mode on Windows 11. So that is how to enable developer mode on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.